Music adventures!
La 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 la. I'm so out of breath. Why am I breathing so hard?
Hi, Maya. I'm Lucas the Lung. Let's take a tiny trip inside you so you can see how breathing works. That's why you feel all puffy after running. I live inside your chest, and I never take a break. I work all day and night. My superpower? I help you breathe. When you run, I work super fast. When you sleep, I slow down. But I never stop. Breathing starts right here, in your nose. Fun fact, you breathe for about 20,000 times every single day. That's like blowing up thousands of balloons. Inside are tiny hairs and sticky mucus. They're like bodyguards, catching dust, dirt, and germs, so only clean air goes in. Fun fact, the inside of your nose also warms and moistens the air, so it feels just right when it reaches your lungs. Cold air gets a cozy blanket before coming inside. Next, the air slides down the trachea, also known as the windpipe. The trachea has C-shaped rings, like tiny bracelets, that keep it open so air can whoosh through. Did you know why you cough? The windpipe has tiny hairs that help you push the yucky stuff up. It works like a conveyor belt carrying the mucus when you cough. The lungs is a magical tree of tubes. Big branches called bronchi, smaller ones called bronchioles, and at the very ends, millions of tiny balloons called alveoli. These balloons are super important. In the alveoli, tiny blood vessels called capillaries surround it and helps oxygen move into your blood. Then your blood rushes around the whole body, to your brain, your muscles, and even your little toes. That's how you get the energy to run, play, and grow. Fun fact, if you stretched all the alveoli flat, they could cover a whole tennis court. That's how powerful it is at holding air. Once your body takes in the oxygen, it makes a waste gas called carbon dioxide. Oxygen and carbon dioxide exchange places within the alveoli. Then, my job is to push carbon dioxide back out through the same tubes and out your nose or mouth. Fun fact, on the other side, plants love carbon dioxide. They breathe it in and give us oxygen back. Did you know your lungs are protected by the rib cage? It's like an armor that keeps me safe. And see this muscle under me? It's called the diaphragm. It moves up and down like a trampoline to pull air in and push it out.
Wow, breathing is such an adventure inside me.
That's right. Every breath is a team effort. From your nose and trachea to your lungs and out again. I'm Lucas the Lung, always keeping you alive, active, and awesome.
Click subscribe for next adventures.